can I say about my mom? Mami ko nakakatawa yan. She's, you know, when you look at her, she's always so nicely dressed and so gusturang-gustura. Pero she's really a natural comedian. Okay, Mama? I'll tell you one story. When I got pregnant with our first child, I didn't know how to tell my mom. Well, I knew how to tell her I was pregnant, but the part I was struggling with was how I was gonna say that we weren't ready to get married yet. Okay? Sabi ko, wow, paano ko ito sasabihin? Magagalit itong nanay ko, diba? So I asked the help of Yanan, Tita Bibeth, I asked for the help of Tita Pepe. So we went to a restaurant, tapos Lord, tulungan mo ako paano sasabihin sa nanay ko. So sabi ko, Mom, I was 25 then. So sabi ko, pwede na siguro, hindi magagalit. So, I'm pregnant. Oh! Siyempre happy. Oo. Kaya lang, Mom, we're not ready pa to get married. So I was waiting what was the answer. So she was drinking coffee and she spilled the coffee on her lap. Okay. Sabi ko, ano ba to? Galit ba to? She's no? And then, hindi pa natapos yun. We guested in Martin's show at that time because I had made an announcement that I was pregnant, that I was gonna get married yet, di ba? So, mainit yung ulo ng nanay ko that day. Eh, si Martin tinanong, so, Mamita, you're going to be a grandmother, di ba? I just wanted to know, Jackie made an announcement that she's pregnant but she wasn't gonna get married yet. So what can you say about that? Sabi niya. And she said, she's not gonna get married yet because Ricky didn't ask her. On national TV. I was like, tinitingnan ko yung nanay ko, okay ko lang, diba? Tapos sabi ni Martin, okay, let's just pause for a commercial break. My mom's that way. She's really, really very funny. I'd also like to share with you how I was saying that my mom is such a forgiving person, I don't know if most of you know, but I was kidnapped as a child. My father kidnapped me as a child. And I was gone for a month until the authority, I think it was in Honolulu, so the NBI helped my mom. And then when we were finally brought home, my mom could have sent my dad to jail because my dad kidnapped me. But she didn't send my dad to jail. She said the reason why, she understood the reason why my dad kidnapped me, and that's because my dad loved me so much. Siguro hindi na nag-isip, in that moment. And I want to thank my mom for that because had she been, had she had a lot of vengeance in her heart, I would have never had the chance to know my dad. And that's how good a person my mom is. I had a wonderful relationship with my dad until my dad passed away at 16, when I was 16. That's how wonderful a mother I had. That's a testament to how beautiful a person she was.